What we did is cut up this butternut squash while we're waiting for our pumpkin seeds to come out of the oven. I believe this is a butternut squash. And so I dug out the seeds from that and I put them in a colander. And we're just going to rinse them off really good and try to get that squash membrane out of there. Just kind of dig it out, swish it around, get the big stuff out of there. There we go. Rinse it again. Now some people boil these, you can do that. I haven't done it that way before, but you can boil them and that takes that membrane off a little bit differently, maybe even a little faster so you don't have to get your hands in it. But it's just as good this way really if you want to spend a little extra time. And then when you take them out, it's pretty good. Oh, one more rinse, make sure. Then you want to put them on a towel. Try to put them on a towel or a wash rag or something to dry. Spread them out, because if you do it on a paper towel, you can, but they have a tendency to stick to that more when you're trying to just put them in a container or getting ready to bake them. So they will have to get them good and dry because it will affect how they bake if they're wet still. So that's what I do. Now you can do like I said, the same thing with squash as you do with pumpkin seeds. So we have our pumpkin seeds in there, in the oven still, right there. And we have just a few more minutes left before we take them out. And they should be really good. So in the meantime, I will probably fix this. I'm going to cut it up. I'm going to put some brown sugar and butter in it and bake it in a baking pan, and it should be a good part of our dinner. So I'll be back. Let's see how the pumpkin seeds are doing.